So accessor methods. What are those exactly? Well, an accessor method allows other objects to obtain the value of instance variables or static variables. And we're going to be using non-void methods to do this. So let's write an accessor method. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're just going to write public, because methods usually are public. And then since it's a non-void method, we're going to have a data type to return. So we're going to do string. Now, most accessor methods are always going to start with get. So let's say we need to return the name of our employees. We're going to do get name. It's a method, so we're going to have parentheses, no parameters in our accessor methods. And all we're going to do is just return name. Because remember, you can call instance variables in your methods. As you can see here, we initialize name. We gave name a value with our constructors and all that. So that is one accessor method. Let's do another one. Let's do public integer get age. There we go. And then all we're going to do is do what? We're going to return age. Very, very cool. And remember, you can print out a non-void method. That's the great thing about non-void methods. So let's do another one. Let's do get position. Public string get position. And then it's going to return the position of the person. Yay! Exciting! I know. Okay. Let's go back to our main.java where our objects are, and let's print out the name of employee 1. Yes, we're gonna do that now. So let's print out the name. So what we're gonna do? Well, what we're gonna do is we are going to do system.out.println, and then we're going to do m1.getName. So when we do this now, it's going to print out, it's going to call the method, and it's going to see, all right, M1's name is going to be Jamie. So it's going to print out Jamie. That's great, I know. What if we want to do their position on, we'll do another line for that. We're going to do m1.getPosition. Why are we using printout? Because if I just call getName, for one, it's going to need an object because you're using it in another class. And two, we need to print it out because it's not printing out a value in the method. It's returning a value, which is different from printing. FYI. So as we can see here, Jamie is a part of human resources. That is correct. Yes. All right, let's print out another line because now we're going to pick out employee 2. So system.out.println. We're going to do M2. Let's get their name as well. Let's get their, let's do get age. And you can do this on one line as well, but I'm just lazy. So we're going to do M2.getPosition. So now it's going to print out all of these three things. Now what if I did system.out.println M2.getIsSalary? Is that going to do anything? No, it's not. It's actually going to give us an error because we do not have a an accessor method that is getSalary. We don't have that. So it won't do anything. It will produce an error. So that's something to keep in mind. Make sure you put in all of your accessor methods. Yay, exciting. All right, so it tells us his name and all of that fun stuff. Now, what if I did system.out.println M1? What's that going to do now? Well, one, it's going to be a syntax error because I spelled system wrong. Now, if I spell it correctly like I'm supposed to, what is it going to do? Well, let's see what it's going to do. It's going to just write out random stuff that we don't need. It's going to write out the class name and then like a bunch of values that I don't think are that important. They're not important to you. How about that? I'll just end it there. Okay. So, and just one more comment about the return keyword in case you're confused with it. It's used to return the flow of control to the point immediately following where the method or constructor was called. So it's going to return the value type that we have put in our non-void method, and it's going to basically kind of give you a value. So it's going to, if you call a method, it's going to return a value. It's not going to print anything. It may change a value, but if we don't want it to change a value, that can be part of our post condition. So yeah, that's just some stuff to keep in mind with accessor methods. Very, very cool.
And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. It's free and it really does help me out. I have more AP computer science videos if you want to go check those out. They're really, really helpful and all of that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.